Channel everyone. Today we have the story of Ranbir Kapoor, one of the most handsome and dashing actors in the Bollywood. Ranbir Kapoor was born on the 28th of September 1982 and is an Indian film actor. He is one of the highest paid actors of Hindi cinema and has featured in Forbes India's Celebrity 100 list since 2012. Kapoor is the recipient of several awards, including 6 Filmfare Awards. He is the son of actors late Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh, and the grandson of veteran actor-director Raj Kapoor. Ranbir made his debut in the industry with the tragic romance film Saawariya in 2007. Saawariya was the first Indian film to be produced by a Hollywood studio and was a highly anticipated release. Kapoor took on the role of Charnadan Jordan Jakhar in Imtiaz Ali's Rockstar, a drama that follows the journey of an aspiring musician from a humble background to international stardom. The film Rockstar just changed the game for him in the industry. He became one of the most demanding actors of the Bollywood. Ranbir and Sonam made their Bollywood debut in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Saawariya, and it was well known that the on-screen chemistry was a result of their off-screen romance. Unfortunately, the relationship did not end well, given Sonam's outburst on Coffee with Karan, where she gleefully trashed the Bachna Hai Hasino actor. The couple first started dating during the shoot of Bachna Hai Hasino in 2007 and the relationship lasted for nearly 2 years. The relationship was quite serious. Deepika even got Ranbir's initials inked on the nape of her neck. Apart from being open about their relationship, the couple was adored by their fans. Though the relationship did not last, the duo continued to be the friendliest of exes, even acting opposite each other in films like YJHD and Tamasha. While working together on Anjana Anjani, the couple was rumored to be seeing each other. Nothing concrete came out of the alleged link-up, but it surely sent their fans into a tizzy. Ranbir and Priyanka were subsequently cast together in Barfi, but they claimed to only be good friends. With a 6-year-long on and off relationship with Katrina Kaif, the couple admitted having gone through a very rough time, having started their love affair first on the sets of Azab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani. The couple took things to the point of moving in together. Katrina went on record after their split to say, "Were it selfless love, then I wouldn't feel the need to assert myself as much in the relationship. I would be more tolerant. I don't want to be tolerant. I don't want to accept it. I want to fight. I want to get what I think I deserve." She realized that even if you love somebody, you shouldn't compromise on what you want or expect out of a relationship. Having spent a major chunk of time together on the sets of Brahmastra, rumors of a new romance have abounded ever since the couple made an appearance together at Sonam Kapoor's wedding, finally confirming the rumor and sending the internet into meltdown mode. Ranbir Kapoor stated, "It's really new right now, and I don't want to overspeak. It needs time to breathe and it needs space." No doubt Ranbir's dating life was a roller coaster but still a beautiful one. So, that is all for today. We'll come back with a